Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA is back below 30 cents, and what I told you in the last video that GALA needs to do to build a 5-wave move and build a first structure that would allow it to get to new all-time highs didn't happen. It didn't do it, yeah? We talked about the risk that GALA could come down once more if it does not make a higher high here. And if GALA is not able to break above the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level at 37 cents, told you that this would be the next resistance. And I think we have seen that GALA is not able to make a new all-time high, at least not yet. It's still not off the table really, but overall it's getting much less likely with that last lower high here. And looking at generally what the crypto market is doing at the moment, but here it hasn't been invalidated yet. Yeah, so what GALA did after the low here, it started to make a new 1, 2, 3, so a 3-wave move. Now a 3-wave move can also be an ABC, after which you start a new downtrend. Okay. Currently though, what we see here is the possibility that GALA can have started a 5-wave move up, so the beginning of a new uptrend. Okay, that the low could already be in after GALA hit my target area. What I really like about this target area down here that GALA hit is that it did come down actually exactly to the 0.887 Fib level. Some of the cryptos I covered did not touch a Fibonacci level when they found support, but GALA did, which makes me more confident that the low could already be in. But the problem is that here most recently GALA did not make a new high. That would have been necessary to come up like this, yeah, to make a 5th wave to the upside. And then we could have seen maybe something like an A, B, C, and then you start again with another 5-wave move up, and that could then take us to new highs, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what you would expect. But because GALA did make a lower high, this could just be the beginning of a new downtrend, okay? So we are basically still in the downtrend. We could already then start a 1, 2, because the high did not go above the previous high. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so you could make new lows based on that. That is why on Discord, for example, everybody's asking, my buy orders still stand for lower levels. And if anybody wants to follow me with my own buy and sell orders, you can of course check out the channel membership and get access to Discord and Telegram as well, and a weekly live stream. But if I look at this whole thing here, it's not looking too convincing. Yeah, that we have the same problem with the structure down here like with other cryptos that I explained in the last few videos. For many other cryptos like Ripple, Ethereum, Solana, there's just not a convincing start of a new uptrend. This structure down here, it's possible, right? You could have had your wave 1, 2, 3, yeah, in this yellow target area, which also did work out. It nearly maxed out the yellow target area that we had here for this move. And then it did hold a critical support level, yeah. So this level was also very important here, because this was of the previous move here. The point, I need to go to the low, the 0.5 Fib level at 28 cents. That did hold, very critical. This could have been a wave 4, but then the wave 5 did come short. It's still possible that this was a wave 5, yeah. And it would have been a wave 5 that stops underneath the wave 3. That is possible, but unlikely, okay? Until we make a lower low now, theoretically, the possibility that we move up from here and make higher highs is still on the table. It's still on the table, it's possible, but I don't think very likely. If you look at what we're doing here at the moment, we're forming a triangle. So that is something worth keeping in mind and keeping an eye on, because you could see that as a trend continuation pattern where we make another, maybe make another move up, maybe all the way up to 33 cents, come down once more, find support at around 30, and then break to the upside. That is possible. It's a trend continuation pattern. We're coming from down there, consolidating, because we were overbought, yeah. On the daily, you were getting into the overbought range, and we are still in the bullish range on the RSI. So also here, looking at the MACD, yes, we might see here bearish crossover, and that needs to be looked at. So key decision point at the moment, just need to see what is happening next. We are currently here in a sideways movement in a triangle trend continuation pattern, which is a trend continuation pattern. So in this case, would be more likely to break to the upside. Next resistance from here would be that 0.618 Fibonacci level. Yeah, if that gets broken, I think then we can expect quite a fast move up further to 46 cents. If that gets broken, 55. And I think then we can talk about the downtrend being over. And then this would still be fairly early, because you can expect for the next major wave up a price range between 133 and 163 for GALA. Okay, that is my view. Should we lose this triangle to the downside, I think we can fairly confidently say that the uptrend is probably over, the beginning of that, yeah, and that you're going to go down to at least to a similar level where we started here, this move up here. So support would be 23.5 cents and 15.5. I wouldn't be surprised if we see the yellow target area down here once more. Yeah, absolutely not, because even if this was a 5-wave move, yeah, and you maybe the 5th wave was shorter, then all of this was a wave 1, and now you're coming down in a wave 2, and the wave 2 could come without a problem, come into the yellow target area again. That would be another chance to go in, but I would want to see now what is the next move. We need a decision here. Do we make a lower low, or do we make a higher high? Yeah, the indicators, mixed messages here. Yeah, and looking at the whole crypto market, my view would be we're coming down here into the yellow target area once more, and that would start at 23.5 cents. That's currently the situation with GALA. It has moved up quite significantly. We hit my yellow target area down here. That was very important, and I did tell you all the time, these target areas between the 88.7% Fibonacci level and the 78.6, they are areas where it is very attractive to go long for everybody who wants to do it, because personally I expect a turnaround in this area, and I did go in here somewhere in this range, yeah, because even the current range at 30 cents I find fairly attractive for GALA, looking at its long-term potential, but I know it could drop further once more, okay? I know it could drop further once more, and from here we could then finish the correction, yeah, somewhere in this range, and move to new all-time highs, because overall, looking at the Elliott wave count and pattern, all of this new all-time high at 85 cents was a wave 1. We're coming down in a wave 2. The next wave up should be a wave 3. That should be a rocket start. Yeah, really, really strong start. And the wave 3 should take us into this region here between 133 and 163. So GALA has a lot of potential. I like this cryptocurrency. Also expanding with their music nodes now. And I think, yeah, it has a lot of potential. New partners coming in, new games are going to be launched, and a fairly thriving community. And it is also one of these sort of ecosystem cryptos where I'm a little bit less concerned, because some of these where you invest only in a game, there's obviously the risk, and especially a game where they haven't delivered anything, there's obviously a risk that the game might not happen at all, and it's really only one game. And as you might know, if you're playing video games, you know, after a month, they don't get interesting anymore, or people, you know, even if it's a year or 2 years, at some point the industry just moves on, right? And then it remains to be seen what happens with these games, like, for example, Axie Infinity, or Star Atlas, for example, is another one, even though I find that very promising, but also there are negative sides to it. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen here. My view would be here we need to wait for the next move of GALA, because you can't really say it's a trend continuation pattern. So you would rather say, right, it can break up from here. We're still in the bullish range on the daily RSI, but on the MACD, we're heading further down. If you get this bearish cross on the MACD, you can certainly come down once more lower. Then we make a lower low here. But even then, we need to see what is happening here. Higher low or another lower low. The potential definitely exists. We come down once more into the yellow target area. I would even say, yes, we do. And that would be another possibility for everybody who missed the previous low to go in again. But that is a decision you need to make, not what I tell you or recommend here at all. All right, so hopefully you liked the update about GALA. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. And if you really like the content, maybe consider to join as a channel member. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.